Professional Ophthalmoscope 3.6 rechargeable make Keeler UK with charger. It's mini charger. Charger with different adapters. So you can use ophthalmoscope in all over world. Charger. With extra bulb. Plus minus 20 diopter. Dust protective window. Filter change. Red free. On off switch and illumination control. Aperture available wide, intermediate, cross fixation, glaucoma and slit. Single step diopter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 9. Minus diopter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus diopter 1 to 9 and minus diopter 1 to 10. So total diopter plus 29 to minus 30.